All right, so let's talk about exceedance probability. It's talked about on page 9 of your book. And what that essentially means is that it is a probability that an amount of rainfall will either be occur or exceeded, in any one year. So, if I say, for example, that the 25 year 24-hour, right, that rainfall for a certain area is 3 inches. What that means is that there is a one time in 25-year probability that we will get 3 inches at least one time this year. So what is 1 divided by 25? That would be 4%, right? 0.04, which is 4%. So in this area, there's a 4% probability that we're going to get 3 inches of rain this year. Now, how do we determine that? Well, again, we have our normal distribution curve. So we're going to plot, let's say we're going to plot 20 years of data. 20 years of data. 4%, basically we would have to figure out basically 3 inches is the here, right? This will be 96%. So there's a 96% chance we will not get 3 inches or more, and there's a 4% chance that we will get 3 inches or more. So 1 in 25. The most common that we really look at a lot of times for our storm devices is going to be a 25-year storm. So we're gonna size storm pipe for 25-year storm event, which means our storm pipe is going to be able to handle 96% of the rain that's going to occur that year. So we should be in good shape. Now you will see gutter spreads. I believe in a lot of areas they want you to design for a 10-year storm event, 1 in 10, which is going to give us, what is 1 in 10? I should know off the top of my head. I believe it's 0.1, right? So that would be 0.1. So there's a 10% chance that you're going to exceed it, right? So you're basically designing your system, your gutter spread, to handle 90% rather of the storm events that will occur in that year. And I believe earlier I mentioned that the 95% error was 1.6 something, 1.64. That is wrong. Times the standard deviation when I was talking about surveying. Your 90% error is 1.64. So your 90%, so 90% of your occurrences will happen plus or minus 1.64 from your standard deviation. Your 95% rather was 9599 times your standard. So almost 2. So 95% will occur. 95% of your data will fall within 2 standard deviations of your mean. So basically, this is how this is your return period, your 25-year, 2-year, 5-year events is basically talking about probability. When we talk about probability, we're talking about the number of times something occurs compared to the possibilities. Possibilities. Right. So if you roll a set of dice, if you're looking to roll, if you're looking to flip a coin and you get heads, heads is only one There's only one event, only one head side, but there's two possibilities. There's two sides to a coin, so you've got a 1 in 2 chance. You've got a 1 in 25 chance of a 25-year storm event happening, 4% probability. 1 in 10 chance of a 10-year storm happening or being exceeded within a year, right? So 10%. Now that doesn't mean it won't happen. That means it won't happen twice. This is just probability. This is just statistical analysis.